notice that there are some people in this world that can tell when they smell, and then there are those who can't. Now, albeit this isn't the most elegant example that I could have given you, but I do think that it is one that we can all relate to. And my friends, this is why we all need to have an expert level of hyper-awareness. Now, I'm sure you've heard that you need to be hyper-aware on a level up journey, especially when it comes to understanding how to curate your own elegant personal brand. But you can see that you need a little help in this area. But alas, you've used all of your budget on your elegant summer wardrobe because you're setting off to the south of France this summer. In my video all about how you can elevate your personal brand with ChatGPT, I told you that you can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of questions that you can ask yourself to have the appropriate self-awareness with your personal branding. Now, you will want to ask yourself these questions so you can assess how much awareness you actually have, especially when you're wanting to project a polished and poised and refined and elegant personal brand. So as mentioned in my last YouTube video, I asked ChatGPT this question, and it went like this. Can you give me a list of questions that I can ask myself so I can have the appropriate self-awareness with my personal branding so that I can assess how much awareness I actually have when wanting to look like a polished, elegant, and poised woman? And here is some of the questions that ChatGPT came up with. Number 1, ask yourself, what image or what impression do you want to create when others would see you as an elegant, poised, and polished woman? Do you know the answer to this question? Could you honestly ask yourself this question and give yourself an answer? Do you know how you want to show up to the world on your level up journey? Do you know how you want to be perceived by the world on your level up journey? Do you know what colors work for you or don't work for you? Do you know how you want to be behaving? Now, if you struggle to answer this question, it may indicate a lack of self-awareness, especially in regards to your personal branding goals. It suggests that you don't have a defined or you haven't clarified the specific image or impression that you wish to project onto others. The thing is, my friend, self-awareness is a fundamental aspect to personal branding, as it involves understanding your strengths, values, and aspirations. It's about knowing how you want to be perceived and the impact that you want to make. But the thing is, without a clear vision of the image or the impression that you want to make or create, it becomes challenging to align your actions and behaviors and appearance with your desired brand. So this is where you need to take some time to have some introspection and reflection, to consider your values, to consider your personal style, and essentially to consider the qualities that you're admiring in others. Because I'm sure that you have a certain person or a certain vision or a certain ideal in your mind, but you're not necessarily able to connect with how you can do that for yourself. So visualize how you want to be perceived. Really think and meditate on how you want others to perceive you, and essentially how you want to make others feel when you're in their presence. Define the attributes that align with being polished and elegant and poised. Now, this exercise will allow you to create clarity and develop a stronger sense of self-awareness that will enable you to refine your personal branding goals and therefore work towards creating the desired image that you want. Okay, side note. These questions will not only allow you to assess your self-awareness, but equally, they're going to allow you to get to know yourself a little bit better. I personally couldn't answer these questions on my level up journey until I began to know myself and get to know the things that were even important to me. Do you want to take this further? Now ask ChatGPT to give you a tactile activity that you can implement to enhance your self-awareness for your personal branding. Okay, question number 2. How do you currently present yourself in terms of your appearance, your communication style, and your behavior? Is it aligned with your desired personal branding image? Now, do you know the answer to this question? Have you ever assessed the way that you speak? Have you ever watched any video footage of yourself that gives you a more 360 view of yourself? Now, if you struggle to answer this question, it may indicate a lack of self-awareness, especially regarding your current presentation and its alignment to your desired personal branding goals. Self-awareness plays a crucial role in personal branding as it requires an honest assessment of how you currently present yourself to the world. Understanding your current state allows you to identify the areas so you can better align with your desired image goals. By not being able to answer this question, it indicates a potential disconnect between your self-perception and the perception that you wish to create through your personal brand. And really, it's important to reflect on how you currently dress and how you currently communicate and how you currently behave. And honestly, evaluate whether it aligns with the polished, poised, and elegant brand that you seek. Do you want to take this further? Now ask ChatGPT to give you an exercise you can implement to bridge the gap between your current presentation and your desired image for your elegant personal branding. Now, I'm not going to go through all 10 questions that ChatGPT gave me because this video would be a million hours long, but I do have a corresponding blog post that will accompany this video. It will be linked in the description box for you. But can you see how the opportunities to learn and to grow and to level up are actually endless with ChatGPT? Can you see how it can help you continue to level up even when you have limited budget? Can you see how if you only just work on your hyper awareness, you can then go over to ChatGPT and ask it the relevant questions and then go and work on the things that you need to go work on. And then from there, you can assess what actually needs your budget at what time. Can you see how this can allow you to make a custom and bespoke action plan for your specific and individual level up journey? My friend, let me know if you've even thought of using ChatGPT like this at all. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep refining your personal, elegant brand, even with the power of ChatGPT.